Hey, how's it going? I'm going to show you a technique today that's going to save you time, and it's also going to help you with the fatigue. It's a technique that Sorbo Samuelson invented many years ago called the Z method. And you know, he's also the inventor of the wide body channel 3x4. He invented this and changed the whole window cleaning industry, and it's been copied a lot too. But first, let me show you how many window cleaners would probably clean this window right here using like maybe a 16-inch channel. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the window real quick and show you how much you can save time. So you know, the fanning technique, very popular. I'm not against it, but if you want to save some time and a lot of movements, I want to show you this Sorbo technique called the Z method, okay? So you already saw how many times I had to move my arm to clean, squeegee the glass. Let me show you right now this technique that's gonna save you a lot of time and a lot of fatigue. Just 2 moves and you're done. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you with Sorbo's Z method technique. With Sorbo, it's all about working smarter in less time. Okay, you take it easy.